Now we are going to learn about order of operations. So it is, we remember the BEDMAS or PEMDAS, BEDMAS or PEMDAS. So what that means, so we first simplify bracket or parentheses. So some we call brackets the parentheses. So we solve the brackets first. So whenever you see brackets in an expression, in an algebraic expression, so solve the bracket first. The second is E. E means the next exponential expression, exponents. So whenever you see exponents, after you solve the bracket, then the next thought is let's simplify or solve the exponents. Exponent means the powers. The next one is D stands for division and M stands for multiplication. In BEDMAS, D comes first and M comes after. But in PEMDAS writing, M multiplication comes first and division comes later. So why it is both correct? Because division and multiplication both has the same priority. So the third priority we will give to division and multiplication. Division and multiplication. So first come first serve. Whatever comes first, as you will remember the left hand rule. So start from the left side. Whatever comes first, you have to perform that operation first from division and multiplication. So first come first serves. From left side. Okay, at the very last, we have to perform A and S. So A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So addition and subtraction at the very last. So which comes first, addition or subtraction? Again, addition and subtraction both are equal in the order of operation. So first come first serve from the left hand side. So first brackets, second exponents, third multiplication and division, first come first serve from the left side. And at the very last we have to perform addition and subtraction, first come first serve from the left hand side. So let's do some practice problem where we will practice this order of operation. Okay, so let's simplify. 3 minus 2, 5 squared minus 3. Okay, so there is a bracket. So our very first job is to solve this bracket, because BEDMAS is saying bracket comes first. Okay, inside the bracket there is 5 square minus 3. So first so inside the bracket there is another algebraic operation, so we have to treat that one algebraic operation, 5 square minus 3. So we have two operations, one is the exponent, one is the subtraction. So exponent and subtraction, which comes first? Exponent comes first. So we have to perform the exponent first. So 5 square is 5 times 5. So it is 25 and minus 3. Now there is only one operation after you solve the exponent, minus 25 minus 3 is 22. So that means this bracket is just 22. And it is inside the bracket. There is a 2 outside, minus 3. Now how many operations do we have in this expression? So pause the video and see how many operations. One operation is the multiplication operation, minus operation here. And there is another operation, multiplication here. Operation is always in the middle of two numbers. outside the bracket. Here there is no sign, that means there will be a multiplication sign. So subtraction and multiplication. So in the BEDMAS, this is a subtraction, this is a multiplication. So multiplication comes before the subtraction. So we have to do the multiplication first. So 3 minus, so let's multiply 22 and 2, it will give you 44. And now 3 minus 44 will be equals to minus 41, and this is our solution. Okay, great. So let's do one more question. So 5 minus 2 cubed minus 6 plus 7. Let's try to simplify this expression. Okay, so first it's a BEDMAS. So let's see which operation we have to do first. Let's count the operations. So this is a subtraction, this is an exponent, this is a minus, subtraction, and this is the addition. So these are all the operations here. So we have exponent, subtraction, and addition. So these are the operations here, and in this BEDMAS, E comes before the addition and subtraction. So we will solve the exponential expression first, the exponent first. Okay, so what is 2 has power 3? So 2 has power 3 is, it is multiply 2 by itself 3 times, it is 8. So we write 8 minus 6 plus 7. So now we have only subtractions and addition, and as we learned, subtraction and addition both has the same priority, first come first serve from the left side. So left side, this subtraction comes first, so we will do the subtraction. 5 minus 8 is minus 3, then minus 6 plus 7 as it is. One time do only one operation. Now again from the left side do this operation. Minus 3 minus 6 will give you minus 9 plus 7. Again from the left hand side, at a time just do one operation. Minus 9 plus 7 is equal to minus 2. And this is our final solution. We simplify the expression. Okay, let's do one more example here. So 15 minus 3 divide by 4. So which operation we have to perform first? Let me write down the BEDMAS. So in the BEDMAS, bracket comes first. We have a bracket here, so we have to simplify the bracket first. So our first priority is solve this bracket. So what is in the bracket? 15 minus 3. Can you simplify this? There is only one operation, subtraction. So just do the subtraction. It is 12. And then we have divide by 4. Now there is only one operation, division. Let's perform that. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, and we are done. This is our solution. Okay, let's try to do one more example. So very simple example here. It is 3 plus 2 times 3. Okay, here is the times. So what operations we do have here? We have plus, addition, and we have multiplication. If you look at the BEDMAS, multiplication comes before the addition, so we have to do this operation first. So it will be 3 plus as it is, 2 times 3 will be 6. Now there is only one operation, just perform that and we are done. Okay, so let's try to do this one. 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 7. Please pause this video and try to see if you can do this question using the order of operations. Okay, so there is a bracket in the expression. So before you do anything else, you have to open the bracket. Okay, is there anything to simplify inside the bracket? No, everything is simplified. It is just minus 2. And if you will open the bracket, there are two signs in between 3 and 2. We cannot have two minuses or two pluses or two plus or minus, any combination of plus or minus. So two minuses will give you plus, so you will change the two minus sign to one sign, that is plus. So we open the bracket. Now we have all the additions and subtractions. All the addition and subtraction has the same priority, first come first serve from the left hand side. So this has the first priority, so we will do 5 plus 2 minus 7. Now this 7 minus 7, now this, it is 0, so our answer is 0. So this is called the order of operation. And always remember PEMDAS or BEDMAS. So bracket has the first priority, then exponential functions, we have to solve the exponents. If you have exponential expressions, we have to solve the exponents. And if there is a combination of additions, subtraction, multiplication and division, so multiplication and division should be performed before you perform the addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division has the same priority, addition and subtraction has the same priority, and the left hand rule. Thank you so much.